Hey guys, Headlines with Hitching Up and Moving On. Today we got our camper back and we had some electrical problems, but while I'm tearing this apart and trying to figure out what's going on so I don't have to take it back to the dealer, I'm going to show you what I am going to do. Underneath the storage area, back in here, we're taking out this whole wall that comes from right here all the way across, and we're going to move it all the way back where it hides that wiring, and then we have this extra space all the way across here. This will be all wide open. It is going to make such a huge difference in putting stuff in here. It'll give you everything from that wall all the way across, and then there'll be a panel that comes off that wall right over there and comes back over, and then comes back towards the ducting and comes over. And I will show you when I finish the project, or as I go. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what we're going to do to fix this, if you can watch it wobble. This is all. I'm going to try to tighten all this a little bit. They're supposed to fix that at a dealership, though they didn't. So I'm going to put some Lexel. We'll put some Lexel behind this in here where it's bolting the wall. Got some good adhesive in there. I'm gonna take in a drill. I'll pull this screw out because it ain't worth a shit. Screws here. What do I do with another drill? Here's the stirred that up quite a bit. Yep. That made that much better. Hi guys, I'm underneath my basement here, and we're doing a video on this, modifying this basement down here, and I'll show you what we're doing. Right here, this piece is going to go, this was the original piece that was way back over here, and we're going to gain all this extra space in here. This is going to go right back in here like this and fit nice, and now I'm going to cut a little piece there, and we are going to gain all this open area because this was a wall that came all the way through here, and I have videos of that, I have pictures of that from earlier, so anyhow, you just kind of watch me if you want, and I'm going to get some done. I'm going to get some screws on it and get it done. And we'll put a screw in that. I want to line everything up before putting screws in that, so I'm going to put this right here. I lost my screws. There they are. God. Screws. I'll hold still for a minute. There we go, 2 of these. Find another screw for that one. But put another one on top of that when I get done. And that's going to come over here to this, and then piece of board to there. Board from there to there. Screw it in the back side of that. Okay. Hi guys. We're going to put the power box back in here. These little flippers right here, they turn and go back in there. So you got to put it through here like this. Push it down. Push that one in. And of course my drill is way over there. When you tighten the little screws, they will put that flipper around. Tie those up with some zip ties a little while, and cover should be laying right here. There it is. Just get it back on there like that, and then I'm gonna put screw back there. Hey everyone, I'm down here in my basement still, the crawl space, and I'm finally getting this all getting back together pretty good here. As you can see, it's going to be a lot more storage than what it was before. I gained all this right in here, from right across here to here, and then I just got to put my cover on over there, and then I'm gonna put a couple L brackets in that to hold that up there. So, but I'll let you guys see. Hi guys, we're working on underneath this basement, trying to get it straightened out where I want it to be. The way it was before, I'll show you in another picture, but now we have all this extra space back in there that we didn't have. Look how much space I have now. It's unreal. I have so much more room. I can put all my hoses and stuff, my electrical connectors and stuff hanging up there. I can put more stuff over here. Just gives me a ton more space. a lot easier to get to than trying to get in some kind of narrow little area. So you can do this with your Jayco Eagle 336. Takes the stuff you already have, you just have to take it apart and put it back together. I'm going to get a little corner strip for that piece right there on the end right there. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just a basement, but it's so much better. Not wasting 2 3/4 space. So, hey, Linus was hitching up and moving on. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks.